I don't know if we can hear it on the video. Let's get this. Ready?
He's a good boy.
Cute.
You're a good boy. You give me mama.
Julian. Oh, can you get that phone? Come get me. Come get me. So now you gotta go. Mama, mama. Ma. Mama, mama. You don't need the carpet. Where you going?
He says, I found out the superior mode of transportation.
It's rolling.
Crawling is overrated.
Ian. Come here. Come on. Come get me. Ooh, you hear the clock? Mama, 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 mama. Mmm. Mama, mama. Don't eat it. Don't do it. Yeah, it's all right there. You're drooling. Puppy's tearing stuff apart. Hey, baby. Ian. Spink, 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 spink. What you got? What you doing? Just chilling. Spin, spin, spin. Big boy. Oh. Hi. Ooh. Go, baby, go, baby. Oh. Come here, come to me. Roll, Roll. There you go. You roll again?
Yeah, make a funny you.
Daddy make noise. Baby's finding all the stuff that puppies have torn off. Rugs. No, no. Way to go. You can't have that. Sorry. Not happening. See. Come here. Up. And hold on to your walker. Nick. You're gonna figure it out soon.
See, he doesn't ever hold it when I try. He always tries to grab my hand. Hey.
He can stand by himself. He just
Like
gets
going
too
too fast?
excited, yeah. Whoop, whoop. Go daddy. See, I was just holding my arm around his tummy and letting him kind of do his own thing. And then if he stops, he'll stand there and hold himself up. Yeah. Hey, big boy.
Let's catch up to it. Here we go.
Move this one out of the way.
Is he gonna remember Emery and Kita?
Yeah.
No more. You better remember Emery. Look at her.
Once you have this figured out, you're gonna run everywhere. Everywhere. Not bad, huh? Ooh. Kita, no. Practice. You gotta walk forward. You're just leaning. You're gonna fall. oh, there.
You're doing good.
Come on, Ian. Walk. He says, Dad.
You don't need that. Parts of the rug that the puppies destroyed.
Mm-hmm.
Because they are bad puppies.
The worst. Guess what we're doing? We're vacuuming tomorrow.
Destructo puppies.
Yeah, I need Lulu out here. Naughty Lulu. She is part of the destruction.
She never. Say Lulu never. You'll remember Lulu. She'll grow up with you.
Yeah. Naughty Kita kisses.
Especially when you just keep out of there.
You probably just like poop all over your dad's face. Hello, you big 9-month-old.